Yeah. Hey. Wave Riders. LBC. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up now. Countdown on the screen, feel it in my chest. New year, new wave, yeah, we're next. Yeah, we're next. Fresh page, new numbers on the calendar. Same crew, sharper minds, way more stamina. Charts still glow in the dead of night, but now we move calm. Yeah, the wrist set right. Lessons in the losses, tuition paid, but this mindset brick by brick, no shade. From late night candles to the morning light, we don't chase the move, we time it right. Hands up if you learn the hard way. Hands up if you stayed anyway. No fear in the red, no panic in green. We've seen both sides, know what I mean. Let's go, Wave Riders, let's go. New year, new highs, let it roll. For 2025, straight into the zone. We built this wave, now ride it home. Let's go. LBC, let's go. Lights up, charts on, feel that flow. We don't drown, nah, we already know. Wave Riders, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wave Riders, let's go. Still here when the hype dies down. Still steady when the wit comes down. No revenge clicks, no ego trades, just discipline stacked like barricades. Community strong, yeah, the chat stays live. Different paths, but the vision aligns. We don't need luck, we don't need noise, just clean execution and patience deployed. Just slip this year, you're still in play. New candle printing, fresh new day. Zoom out, breathe in, reset the frame. Same rider, sharp again. Let's go, Wave Riders, let's go. New year, new highs, let it roll. From 2025 straight into the zone. We built this wave, now ride it home. Let's go, LBC, let's go. Lights up, chops on, feel that flow. We don't drown, nah, we already know. Wave Riders, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wave Riders, let's go. 5, 4, 3, hands in the air if you still believe. 2, 1, now press that star. New year ignition, open the chart, let's go. Wave Riders. Let's go, 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 let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wave Riders, let's go. Wave Riders. Let's go. Wave Riders. Let's go. Wave Riders. Let's go. Wave Riders. Wave Riders, let's go.
Wave Riders, Wave Riders, Wave Riders, let's go, let's go, let's go. How's everybody doing? Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me this evening. Let's have some fun. Last stream of 2025. It will not be streaming tomorrow night. I will have company over, so we will be I'll be preoccupied. So hope you enjoyed the New Year song. I couldn't think of anything else to call it. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, so how's everybody doing tonight? Hope you had an amazing Tuesday. It is December 30th, 2025. It is the last trading day of the year. By the time 7 p.m. rolls around tomorrow, Eastern Standard Time, we will be in a new trading year. Even though, technically, us in the States will still have some hours left before the new year. What are you guys doing? Are you guys having some fun? Are you going to any parties? Are you hosting any parties? What are you doing? Let me know what you're doing. What are you doing for New Year's? Do you celebrate New Year, or do you go to sleep like an old man? I'll tell you something right now. When you got kids and you live in Central Standard Time, you go by the New York New Year. Then you put the kids to bed and the adults hang out and have fun and celebrate the real New Year for us, you know. So that's what I'll be doing. Should be a radical time. We got some confetti poppers. Those are always fun. So and they'll be a mess to clean up, but you know, it's fun. So that's what we're gonna do. How is everybody doing in the chat? Let's go ahead and say good evening to everybody. Good evening, Alexandra G, Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God. Thank you for being here and pinning that link in the chat. I do greatly appreciate you taking your time to do that every single night. And yeah, you're absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for doing that, Alexandra. We've got Mike Volmer in the chat. Mike, what's going on, bro? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening, Johnny December. What's going on, bro? Thank you for being here. We got All Set in the house. What's up, All Set? How you doing, fam? Thank you for being here. We've got Tex-Mex Biomex. Driving, fam, but thought I'd say hi. One question for LBC. Will Ethereum be higher on January 1 than it was last January 1? Well, let's see. We'll look at that in just a sec. Let's finish shouting out the chat. We got Harp in here. What's going on, Harp? Thank you for being here. God bless. What's going on? Jesus save 77. Thank you for being here. Jesus saves. Your stickers should be on the way, so let me know when, if you get them. I don't know how long it takes for that stuff to go through or whatever to make its way to where it needs to be. So there we go. We've got Frost Dog Billionaire. What's going on, Frothy? How you doing? And good evening. I think that's everybody. We got Curb Star. What's going on, Curb Star? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Otter Gang. We're seeing some otters in the chat. What's going on, Otter Gang fam? Grateful fam. Yep, you're all amazing. Thank you all for being here. Let's go ahead and get over into the charts, and let's see. Let's put on the spaceman because that'll be an easier visual to see. Yearly open. Right here. Are we going by the opening price, Tex-Mex? Yeah. So opening price for the year for Ethereum was $3,329.66. So will Ethereum close higher? This is a daily chart. I mean, you'd have to have one mega candle. And you'd have to get 11.69%. Nice. Yeah, I don't think that's happening, dog. I think Ethereum's going to end up being lower than its yearly open. I'm pretty sure of that. End of day, January 1st. Who knows? I mean, we could put in back-to-back like 5 or 6% days, sure. Theoretically, hypothetically, it could happen. Likelihood? I'd put it on a scale of 1 to 10, probably a 2. Maybe even a 1. I don't really see that happening in the next couple of days. Within the next couple of weeks, I mean, it could do it within the next couple of weeks. But it's end of the year, so I don't see a lot really happening. But it is possible. I mean, Piper was going over something today about Bitcoin. I didn't really catch it all because I was kind of busy recording videos and stuff. So, or actually, no, he was on while I was trading. So I was trying to focus on trading, which I had a good trading day. So that's nice. we'll go over that. And of course, I closed my breakout account. Try to get that going in the background. So, yeah, I don't see it. I don't see it. Could we get some kind of super mega candle? I mean, sure. But I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, we'd have to have a candle like this. We'd have to have a candle like this. So, I mean, this proves that it's possible. Likelihood? Likely? I don't know. I mean, let's just let's take this volume off of here. It's too much noise. Too much noise for me. Let's just do this. Bam. Huh. Yeah, I don't think so. Nope, not even close. Here, could we see something like this? I mean, potentially. That's a nice big push. I still don't see us closing higher than we opened on the year, which is pretty terrible, to be quite frank. To be quite frank. Not to be confused with Todd. Down 10.5% on the year. Oof. Not what we would like to see. But, I mean, I was showing this earlier in the week on Sunday was, you know, my Ethereum wave count, which absolutely could still play out. Now, don't look at the price because I don't see Ethereum going to $80,000. But it's just about marking off swing high, swing lows, and just it's Elliott wave stuff. We'll get into that some other time. But yeah, who's Frank? I don't know. Who's Beans? Great. Looking forward to getting them, David. Yep. Awesome. 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 Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Rashad. So yeah, will Ethereum do that before the new year or by January 1st? I don't think so. I don't think so. Anything can happen, but I don't think so. I don't think probabilistically, I don't think it's probable. But I do think we could potentially have a bullish January, potentially. What was I talking about earlier? Oh yeah, Piper was saying something about, sorry, I had like a squirrel moment. Something about, maybe it was like options expiries or something, which were around like $87,000, and that's why we've just been kind of sitting here at the $80,000 range on Bitcoin for so long, or stuck between that 87, 89, something about options or something. I don't know. I wasn't really paying attention at that point in time. I might have been more involved in the chat, and I was trading at the time. So yeah. How are you, bro? How are you, Rashad? I'm doing well. I'm doing fantastic. Today was a good day. Got a lot done today. Finished up the trading course. I got a free foundational trading course, uploaded, playlists and everything. Got it all recorded yesterday and today. So got it all uploaded, and it is nice and published. So the whole thing. No slow drip and for videos, you know, to try and just for views. It just put it all out there. You know, here you go. Hopefully, if you're new to trading, it can help you out. And even if you have some experience, maybe it can help you out. But I had to get some evergreen content done, so that's what I did. Trading journal. Let's bring this over here. So yesterday we were at, I think, $5,040 thereabouts. So today Is this today? Started off, is this today? 12:30. This is 12:29. Okay, so yeah. Started off the day with a -$12 loss. Then I had a $37 win, a $16 win, then a $7 loss, $4 loss, $12 loss, and then a $34 win. So overall positive on the day. So I like that. I like it very much. Where's trading dashboard? There we go. So this is what I'm looking like here. Total net P&L, $75. I don't know how that's possible when I'm up $93. Maybe it hasn't counted it end of day yet. Maybe, I'm not sure. Average losing trade is -$8. What's my average winning trade? Average winning trade is $16, so 2 to 1, so that's good. Long term, that's profitable. Average winning trade holding time, a little bit more than half an hour. Average losing trade holding time, 0.2 hours. There you go. Risk reward ratio, 1 to 1, I guess. Win rate, 50%. So that's good. That's solid. And this is on a very tough platform to trade on, let me tell you. I still haven't figured out if you can even do partials on here. I haven't been able to figure out partials. So I'm having to close trades, like full trades, earlier than I really want to because I haven't figured out partials yet. Maybe Allset can help me on that. I don't know. Dave Digital was talking about how he doesn't think that they do partials. And he said, you got to be, seems like you got to be an elite trader to get funded on Breakout, which makes sense. I mean, that's any kind of prop firm. You know, you got to be good at trading, which is perfectly fine, just fine. So yeah, I like it. Okay, LBC, those are like my numbers. That makes me feel like you're way more relatable. Thanks for sharing. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. That's what I like to, that's why, I mean, I show you wins, show you losses, all that stuff. So, on Breakout, it's tough, man. It's tough. So, probably better on another account, but we're doing Breakout. So that's what we're doing. When you click close, you can enter how much. You got this. When you click close, you can enter how much. Can I? I might lose a couple bucks just to try this out. But if anybody's interested in doing this, you might want to know this, okay? Let's see. So I'll just mark it in real quick. Mark it in a sell. Looks like maybe downside. Mark it. I'll just do a small 0.01. Losing money on purpose. Just to help you guys out. Who knows? I might end up winning. Who knows? Let's see. All right. So I click the X for close. Oh, lots to close. Why am I so stupid? Sheesh. This is why you got to read the fine print. All right then. Well, I want to do the full position, so before I lose too much. Yeah, just go ahead and close that. That's okay. Lost $1. Dang. Be alright. Oh, look at that. Now it's going in my favor. Oh well. All good. I might be a little gassy this stream. I shoved a couple of tacos in my face before I came on. Had a little late dinner. Just had a lot going on. Had to go to the store. Had to go get a bunch of groceries. My wife and my oldest are going out of town for the oldest 17th birthday. And so they're going to be going out of town, and they'll be gone for the next 4 days. So I don't even know if I'll be able to stream Thursday. We'll see. Maybe I can let the 13-year-old watch the toddler. I won't have the baby, so he will be with his grandmother, but I will have the toddler. So there we go. I just noticed, how are we supposed to have fun if we don't have music? Let's turn this down before I play it. All right, LOL LBC. Don't do that on the eval account. Whatever. Giving money away. You got it. I know it's an eval account. I know that'll count against me. Whatever. I think as long as it's just one little blip, I think it'll be okay. So, what are we doing, Bitcoin? So we're sitting at 88,525. We're getting a little bit of a dumpski here after a pullback into a golden pocket. We did not sweep these highs, but we did get a rejection off the golden pocket, so that would have been a nice little scalp trade to potentially take. Do have this right here, so we did get into that. So we built confluence, right? So we have supply right at a major fib level, which is your golden pocket, and a rejection wick of that level. So it would have been a nice little entry there, short down to VWAP, if not lower. Man, shoving tacos down right before stream is not a good idea. That looks like it's really loud. Yeah. Alright, so trades for today. I don't really quite remember. I know I rode this one up, and then I rode one down. There was a third trade, positive trade. I believe I might have caught this one. I mean, I had to have caught this one, and then this one, and then I know I caught most of this down as well. The losses, the first one, I think I went short here, then it went against me. See, let me look at the time. No, it would have been here. I went short here, and then it went against me. But once it turned around, closed the trade. I got that bullish engulfing candle. Close it, open up the long, and rode that up to the golden pocket, I believe. And then watch it pull back down. Another bullish engulfing. Started to climb, hopped back in, rode it up to the break. And then from there, I started to look for a short because I saw we put in a bearish divergence initially right here. So this is one of my other losses. I got a little bit trigger happy, just to be perfectly honest. I got a little bit trigger happy. So I jumped in short, and then it went against me. I was like, dang it. And then once it started to come down and it broke this low, that's when I hopped back in because I was feeling very good about the short. And then I just rode that down. So, yep. So there's my... Apparently I had another loss in here somewhere. Not sure what it was, but that was the first one. That was the second one, and then rode that up, rode that up, rode that down. So good trading day. Then it was just choppy and sloppy the rest of the day, so didn't trade for the rest of the day. Plus I got too busy recording the videos, finishing up the videos. So make sure you guys, if you're new to trading, check that out. And if you're not new to trading, check it out anyway and let me know what you think. I'd like to know. I need to pin comments to all the videos 2 through 10 so that they refer you back to the first one. Anyways, so coming down to VWAP right now after the rejection. Yeah, money flow's coming out here on the 3-minute. Our momentum is below the 0 line, pointing down. I mean, it looks good for further downside. Be interesting to see what we do here at VWAP. It is Asia, so we're not really getting a whole lot of movement. It's also in the year, so it's kind of why I just wanted to come on here and just kind of chill. Videos are great, bud. Thank you, Johnny. Absolutely appreciate you. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. Thank you, Alexandra G. I haven't been posting a whole lot on X. Just, I don't know. Sometimes it's just like, I don't even know what to say, you know? Looks like we're about to fall through VWAP. I'm also super tired. I'm so looking forward to sleeping in tomorrow. I don't think I will be trading tomorrow. Think I'm good. I think I've proved myself to myself these last couple of days. So yeah, we do have a bit of a bearish divergence here. So that definitely would have been nice. So we got the bearish divergence at supply, at gold pocket. I mean, everything's just lining up right there. The only thing that's missing is a change in your structure. So which would be, this is going to be the next swing low. So high, low, high. So I'd like to see that get broken, and then I want to see a retrace for a potential short entry and ride that down, taking profit at lows. We do have some relatively equal lows here, so definitely watching those. I think we had some other ones. I think there might be some relatively equal lows there, but definitely watch that one. And you know, where the overall trend is more downside, really, but for the past couple of weeks, it's just been kind of range bound. So it's not really up or down. In fact, you've been going up. And they're doing this. And then we'll do this. And we'll do this. So it's been quite a roller coaster ride the past couple of weeks. But it's been, I mean, it'd be easy trading. Easy trading, especially if you do the whole 10 a.m. sell-off, which is, we didn't get today. Instead, it was a 11 a.m. sell-off. 11:18, 11:21. So yeah. And those trades, guys, and that's the thing about my free, about my course that I published today, is that you won't find a single indicator in that course. It is all tools, okay? No oscillators, no momentum, no money flow, no RSI, no stochastics, none of that. Every single bit of it is market structure, supply and demand, rejections, reversals, VWAP, which some might consider an indicator. I consider it more of a tool. Whichever It doesn't really matter. If there's any indicator in the series, it's the VWAP and anchor VWAP. But that's it. Outside of that, it's Fibonacci, supply and demand, risk management, all that good jazz. So no indicators needed. Indicators are cool and all, but sometimes they can be more of a crutch than end up being helpful. Keeping it simple is so much better, and being consistent, setting up your model, creating a model, and just being consistent with that model and making sure you follow your rules day in and day out to the point to where trading becomes boring. That's where you want to get to. Trading shouldn't be exciting. It shouldn't be painful. It should just be what it is. It should be boring. So, I mean, obviously it's nice to make gains, and obviously you would just naturally feel good about it, but the point is to just kind of not get like overly excited. Just be like, nice, you know. And that's about it. That's about it. Anchors, yep, did the anchor VWAP. How about, let's see, what can we do here? Let's see, we've only got 15 people in here. I needed Alex to send people over here tonight, because I was wanting to give away some stickers. We can still do it. Let's see. Let's go YouTube. My mix. Also, guys, I do have 9 songs uploaded. I'm gonna try and get more uploaded as well. It's been a nice time off of work, man. I've been able to get so much done with the channel. The Discord has suffered because of it, because I haven't been talking at all, really, in Discord. But I've just been trying to get a lot of stuff done. So while I have the time to get a lot of stuff done. All right, let's see. What's going on, everybody? All right, let's see. We got this. Let's go share. Is it cool to do your own videos? Say, hey, go to my video and comment stuff on it. Yeah, I see you've been cooking. Thanks, all set. If you want to enter to win some stickers, thank you, David Gelfin. Or wait, no, good evening, David Gelfin. Thank you, all set. Go to this video, just put it in the chat. Comment, Wave Riders. Or no, comment, Ride the Waves. Ride the Waves. A lot to handle when you work too. Yeah, I mean, well, the good thing is I've been off work since the 23rd. So, but I've also had, you know, I've also had my kids and all that stuff, and had the holidays going on. So yesterday and today were really my only true days to get stuff done, because tomorrow's New Year's Eve. My wife and daughter go out of town New Year's Day, and then they're gonna be gone, and I'll have the toddler and the 13-year-old for the rest of the weekend. rest of the week and weekend. So these 2 days were my only time to really get stuff done. I really wish there was a, I don't know, maybe I will trade tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe I will. I was just kind of wanting to sleep in though, so maybe I can trade. Maybe I can wake up, trade, and then take a nap. Although that might be impossible with the toddler. So a lot to handle. Oh yeah. So yeah, just make sure you go over to that video, comment Ride the Waves, and we'll do the comment picker and give away some stickers. Comment picker for stickers. Yeah, I thought so. It's moving lower. So this last little candle right here, these last couple of candles right here, this last down move, is going to be a demand zone. Let's go ahead and pull up fib here. Okay, so we have a 7/8 or a golden pocket sitting right here. Now if we go from this low, 786 is right on top of that supply zone, so, or demand zone. We are currently at the golden pocket. So yeah, we'll see if this breaks through, and we'll see if it gets a bounce here. If I see a bounce and a bullish engulfing, then I'll probably take just a little scalp long. Maybe it's a VWAP, and go from there. What are we doing over here? Solana, it's broken below VWAP. Not quite. I put on for LBC. C. Patterns. The important thing about patterns is understanding what's going on within them. What is price action doing? Fake breakout. More sideways megaphone pattern. Money flow's coming out again on a 3 minute. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's go to 15. See how we're doing here. Money flow's in the red on the 15. On Bitcoin, our money flow, it's green, but our true 7 is below the 0 line, and money flow has been trickling down, kind of leveling off a little bit here. But if this starts to curve down and break below that 0 line, then I think we could go lower. I think it's probably going to go lower anyway, regardless. Okay, I'm fine with, let's get rid of it. Let's see. If we go from swing low to swing high, rejecting the 236. I mean, technically that's a nice demand zone. Let's go to the 5. Try to tighten this up a little bit. I might not be able to. The 3. Yeah, I'm just going to keep that there. And it's not really the best demand zone either. Why? Well, price didn't really do much off of that level. I mean, yeah, we got At least not immediately. I mean, you got a little bit of a bounce here, but then it just sold off. Then you got this decent move to the upside here, but generally not a crazy reaction. But you can take a look at our volume. I mean, we did get it. I mean, which you should. We did get a little bit of, you know, nice. We did get a nice spike here in volume, right at that level. So that's definitely going to be a level to watch. But this looks kind of like absorption. This looks like absorption. So orders getting filled. So the idea behind that is if we come back to that level, it is more, we are more likely, more probable to fall through that level, because when you get absorption, what that means is you are getting orders filled in an area where there were still orders standing. So once you fill orders in an area, it becomes a lot easier to break through that level when you return to it. So we'll see. We'll see. Because once you got all the orders filled, I mean, the market's balanced and you can move away from that level. So you can actually, I mean, you can get a bounce or a break through it, but it just makes it easier to break through it. So you got to be careful. And you shouldn't just be, in my opinion, you shouldn't just be entering trades just right at levels. You should see the reaction first. See the reaction to the key levels and then go from there. And just build on confluence. You become a lot easier. Huh? What's going on, Jay Rizzle? JR, make sure you go to the link in the chat and type in Ride the Waves on that video to be entered into a sticker, LBC sticker giveaway. Sorry, I wasn't ready. I don't have money to just throw at you guys. I'll have to do a money giveaway the next time Alex O sends his viewers over here. Guess he forgot about me tonight. Love that guy. Yeah, so let's see. We'll do that. Guess we can do that in like the last 5 minutes. Shouldn't take long. Anything? What do we got going on? What's our Russell doing? Haven't been. Ooh, nothing. It's been selling off too. Dang. Money flow deep in the red on the daily, and that's after it put in a new all-time high. Still staying above the all-time high, but this looks like it's gonna push lower. At least break this low. Maybe tap golden pocket here. Let's put this on a pullback fib. Okay, so got the 50% retracement right there at that level as well. So it's definitely going to be the level to watch here for the Russell. We want to see a bounce, but I don't know that we'll get it. I don't know, man. I'm kind of conflicted about 2026 as far as bull or bear. It's really mixed, man. It's really mixed. I really don't feel all that great about it. I've been a little bit more bullish recently, but a lot of this stuff, man, is starting to look hella weak. Hella weak. Thought I saw something about a bank having to be bailed out. Was that even true? He ended early and went to Geo. Gotcha. I can't find the link. Try again. Weak AF, yeah. Just doesn't look great. What is this? What is this called? A diamond? What do they call that? They call that a diamond pattern. So if you just pull this out, let's go to the magnet, turn that off. Have you ever heard of the diamond pattern? Ride the waves, ride the waves. Okay, so you come up, come down, start to cool up again. Now these don't touch. But the diamond pattern is a reversal pattern. It really looks like a Wyckoff distribution, accumulation distribution. It's kind of what it looks like. Which this kind of does look like Wyckoff distribution. So I don't really care for it. So many different names for different things. How about just we broke structure here. We got a retrace on the NASDAQ. To the 786, and we are rejecting the 786. Let's get a little cleaner on here. Let's do that. Let's get rid of this volume and the VWAP. So yeah, that's not good. That's not good. We don't want to reject the 786. That's the last fib level we need to break through and close above before we can see higher prices. But right now, does not look good. Does not look good. Yeah, I don't like it. Money flows in the red. Momentum's coming down. True 7 is below the 0 line. And this is all on the daily chart too. You can see that money flow is just this entire bounce up. You see money flow coming out, suggesting people getting out of the market as it's bouncing. This is very dead cat bouncy. Very dead cat bouncy. How we doing, NVIDIA? I'm gonna start a poll. I want to see what you guys think. Is it NVIDIA or is it NVIDIA? Let me know. Roll the F over, soul. All right, what are you saying? Yeah, it's true silver short. Okay, I found it. Thanks. Yes, I have S-wave in it as well. Bearish. Facts. It's fun to understand all the cons and stuff though. Yep, and see how they overlap. Yep. Mad love. Got to hit the road. All set. You don't want to stick around for. I mean, we've got 10 minutes. All right. Mad love. All set. Safe travels, fam. Thank you for joining us this evening. Thank you for being amazing this year, and for sharing your trades and your analysis and stuff like that in the Discord, and for chatting it up in the chat. I do greatly appreciate you, bro. And safe travels, man, and happy new year. Mad love. God bless. Yeah, silver doesn't look toppy. Looks like it's just consolidating. 4 hour looks a little more toppy, but I don't know, fam. Invalidation is like all the way down here at $45. Really, like the actual invalidation. Still riding trend. This is how you know you have a lot of old school traders trading silver, because you just ride in so smoothly. You get you get two bounces, and now every time you come back to the line, it would probably act as support. Money flow is still green. Yeah, momentum is pointing down. True 7 is below the 0 line. But where's going to be the shortage in silver needed for, data centers? I don't know. Maybe there will be because private equity, private credit rather, the people that are funding AI investments, essentially. I think it's something crazy like 37% of all AI investments through private credit, which is not good. So if one of those private credit places go under, what do you think happens to the market? We start to get some contagion, and things don't look good. Things go bad real quick. Hilarious. I just had a friend send me a text. Silver seems to be increasingly short supply. That could be a problem for our industrial civilization. Silver post-mortem. Alright. This friend of mine is always so pessimistic, I swear. Very doomerish when it comes to like AI. So, and even like very crypto skeptical, definitely doesn't trust it, which is fine. I mean, he's like, it's a little men's group that I'm in with some that another friend of mine, a mutual friend of ours, got started, and so anyways, yeah, he's like, this guy's like, he's retired, let's put it that way. He's like probably in his 60s, and he's retired. So Badel, he's got beef with AI. Bro, I use AI for a lot. Okay, AI came in with the assist on my videos, just more of like a structure type of thing. But anyways, Which go-go bar? Huh? You're speaking a language I don't understand. Alright, let's do this. I don't know how many I'm giving away. I've got sets of 2. So I'm gonna do a few. Let's see how many people commented first of all. And views. Well, where the hell's the comments? Make sure you like the video too. Gosh. Oh, we got a few in here. Cool. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different people that commented. And since it's only 5 of you, and since I have a lot of stickers to give away because someone donated money worth 20 stickers, I think we can just say, I could just say, everybody that's commented tonight, I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of it. So, Johnny December, heart. David Gelfand, All Set, and JR. I'm going to send you all some stickers. So, DM me either on Twitter at Lunar Beaches or on Discord, and an address and name and stuff, and I'll just send you some stickers, guys. Because I don't really care. I'll just give you some stickers. Okay? Gotta give the stickers away, man. So yeah, there we go. Sweet balls. So yeah, let's party it up. Yeah, let's just go ahead and end it. Thank you guys for joining me this evening. I did have some fun tonight. I greatly appreciate each and every single one of you. Remember, guys, DM me, name and address, and I'll get the stickers to you. And you won't have to wait as long as the other people did because I already have envelopes and stamps. So there you go. Actually, I think I won't give All Set stickers because he said pump it up. He didn't say ride the waves. What a guy. All right. Yeah, so 2025. So 2025 for me has been a great year of growth, personal growth. I got way more consistent in my trading. I had a baby. We had a baby. So that's fun. I got more consistent in life in general. Very productive year. Went on my own with the streaming. I'd love streaming on Piper Academy. I don't know. I'd have to figure out the time, but I was considering doing like 1 day a week for Piper Academy. But yeah, so we've gone through a lot in 2025. Trying to think, there was something. Oh, one thing that really helped was I got diagnosed clinically with ADHD, so that really helped me out because I was able to figure out ways to work with it. So that really helped. This whole time I thought I was thought I was depressed or anxious. It was anxious. I never thought I was depressed. That's why I was like, why are you putting me on antidepressants? I was on an SSRI and coming off of that. So got off of that. I'll just say I got off of it by now. It's very close. And I'm so thankful that coming off of that but it's a pain. Like, you miss 2 days of doses on that stuff and it just makes you feel like absolute crap. And you get these things that are called brain zaps, which are absolutely terrible. And so very happy to get off the SSRI. So yeah, but I got put on that like 4 years ago. You know, I got some anxiety through the whole COVID thing. Not really necessarily, you know, because of the virus or anything like that. It's a lot. It was a lot. The pandemic was a lot, man. There's a lot going on. I mean, I'm sitting here trying to get married and we have a freaking pandemic. So yeah, very happy to be getting off of that. Methadone? What? No. No such thing, Hart. What, David? It's called getting old? What are you talking about? Seriously though, congrats, bro. Thank you. Yeah, so 2026, we look to build on the growth. We look to continue to be productive on the channel, continue to be consistent. And yeah, so thank you all for being a part of the journey. And let's ride the waves into 2026 and just kill it, man. Let's crush it. So up or down, we ride the waves. So thank you all for that. Thank you for being here. That's all. I'll see you guys next year. Let's party it up. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Peace out. Have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical New Year's Eve. Oh, don't forget to give someone a compliment on Friday. Okay? Be kind. Be loving. Take care. Mad love. Good night. Bye. Oh wait, we're partying. Oh wait, wrong song. No, we can party with me off the screen, right? Okay, yeah. Mad love. Bye. 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 Oh. Is this thing still on? I don't understand. Why is this taking so long? It's taking forever. Oh, here we go. Let's do catching falling knives.
Yeah. Yeah. Charts glowing in the dark. Screens lit
Love you
like
guys.
fireflies. Wave riders in the deep end. Yeah, we don't survive, we thrive. Yeah, I can stare at red candles, never blink once. Whole market panicking, I'm like, this looks fun. Blood in the streets, yeah, fear in the chat. Everybody scream sell, I'm leaning right back. Hands off the wheel, yeah, no safety net. Price free falling, I ain't flinching yet. They say don't try this, say you'll get cut. I say watch me buy lows while you throwing up, yeah. Knife after knife, yeah, slipping through air. I'm smiling like I'm juggling, I don't even care. Risk on my chest like a badge of pride. If conviction was a crime, I'd be doing life. They say gravity wins, say the fall's too fast. I say pressure makes diamonds, not paper hands. Why they pray for exits? I'm calm inside, I don't need protection. Just timing and spine, I can catch falling eyes with no hands, I can
can't ride this market with no plans, no plans. While they crash and burn, I just dance in the flames. I can catch falling knives, yeah, I do it for gains. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. Blindfold confidence, still I land where I land. Wave riders chant while the whole world cries. I can catch falling knives, I can catch falling knives. Yeah, moon guys watching from the shadows above. They don't want your fear, they want blood and guts. So I give them my doubt, yeah, sacrifice stress. Leave emotions on the altar, let the candles get lit. Y'all start whispering, voices in my head. Buy when it hurts, sell when they're dead. They say I'm reckless, say I'm unwell, but every legend walks through their own hell. Margin call nightmares, yeah, I sleep just fine. Dreaming in fibs and extension lines. They clutch their pearls when the wick goes long. I'm humming the chaos like it's my song. They need confirmation, permission, a sign. I just need a level and a little bit of time. While they freeze up, paralyzed by the side, I step forward calm in the middle of the night. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. I can ride this market with no plans, no plans. While they crash and burn, I just dance in the flames. I can catch falling knives, yeah, I do it for gains. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. Blindfold confidence, still I land where I land. Wave riders chant while the whole world cries. I can catch falling knives, I can catch falling knives. Look, no fear, look, no doubt. Whole book read, I'm zooming out. They say don't try this at home. Good thing my mind's already gone. No helmet, no brakes, just vibes and charts. Moonlight glowing off, higher time frames and stars. If I wreck, I learn. If I win, I rise. That's the price of dancing with falling knives. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. Wave riders with me, yeah, we don't understand. Moon gods fed, let the green rain down. From the depths of the wick to the top of the ground. I can catch falling knives, watch me glide. No handlebars, just nerves of steel and pride. Say it's insane, say I'm rolling the dice. I can catch falling knives, yeah, I catch falling knives.
Yeah, wave riders, moving up, back to print. Yeah, I remember nights when the screen stayed red, still showed up, never left. Learn quick, fear caught bread. Patient pay interest. I don't rush trades, I let them breathe. Seen too much to overreact. Moon guy, watch how you move. They don't bless panic. Back to print. Slow grind, no gimmicks. Same rules, same vision. Moon God, see consistency. No flex, just discipline. Wave rider, stay in position. Ink dried and we live it. Ink dried and we live it. Ink dried and we live it. Yeah. Lost the bag, got it back, that's tuition, not pain. Everybody want fast money till the market touch your name. I don't need hype in my ear, I don't need nobody call. I learn more from drawdowns than I ever did from a ball. Back to printing, slow grind, no gimmicks. Same rules, same vision, moon guys, see consistency. No flex, just discipline. Wave rider, stay in position. Ink dried and we live it. Ink dried and we live it. Ink dried and we live it. Yeah. They chase green, I chase calm. That's the difference. I don't trade board, I don't trade mad. That's how you finish. Moon high, chart low. Still don't fold. I've been broke before. That don't scare me no more. Back to print. Slow grind, no gimmicks. Same rules, same vision. Moon guys, see consistency. No flex, just discipline. Wave rider, stay in position. Ink dried and we live it. Ink dried and we live it. Ink dried and we live it. No rush, no noise, same place, still printing. Still printing. Still print. Yeah.
I put on with LBC. I put on with LBC. Yeah, I put on with LBC. On with LBC. I put on with LBC. On with LBC. Wave riders in the building. calculated, yeah, we playing with Steve. I put over LBC, on over LBC. I put over LBC, on over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the Med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, on over LBC.